Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayamudire Nashya Prayasha Bhadreshu Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya Bhagavati Uttama Shloke Bhaktir Bhavati Naistiki. Okay. Hey. पितामहो मे भवदीय सम्मतः प्रहराद आविष्कृत साधुवादः भवद्विपक्षेन विचित्रवेषम् सम्प्रापितस्त्वं परमा स्वपित्रा पितामहो मे भवदीय सम्मतः प्रहराद आविष्कृत साधुवादः Bhavad vipakshena vichitra vaisham tam prapitastam paramasa petra pitamaho me bhavadiya sammataha prarad avishkrita sadhuvadaha Bhavad vipakshena vichitra vaishasham samprapitastam paramasa petra pitamaho me bhavadiya sammataha prarad avishkrita sadhuvadaha Bhavad vipakshena vichitra vaishasham samprapitastam paramasa petra pitamaho me bhavadiya sammataha prarad avishkrita sadhuvadaha Bhavad vipakshena vichitra vaishasham samprapitastam paramasa petraha
Pitamo me bhavati sammata Rama Vishnu Prasya Samana Bhavad vipakshena vichitra vaishna Bhavad vipakshena vichitra vaishna Samprapitastam paramasa petra Samprapitastam paramasa petra Pitamaho me bhavati sammata
Pitamaho me bhavati
sammata Radha Avishkrita sadhuvadaha
Radha avishkrita sadhuvadaha
Bhavad vipakshena vaishasam Bhavad vipakshena vaishasam Samprapitastam paramasvatika Samprapitastam paramasvatika Pitamaho me bhavati sammata Pitamaho me bhavati sammata Radha Vishkrita sadhuvadaha Bhavad vipakshena vichitra vaishasam Bhavad vipakshena vichitra vaishasam Samprapitastam paramasa Pitamaho me bhavati sammata Pitamaho me bhavati sammata Radha Vishkrita sadhuvadaha Radha Vishkrita sadhuvadaha Bhavad vipakshena vichitra vaishasam Bhavad vipakshena vichitra vaishasam Samprapitastam paramasa petra Samprapitastam paramasa petra
Pitamaha grandfather may I bhavadiya sammataha approved by the devotees of your lordship Praradaha Prahlad Maharaj Avishkrita sadhuvadaha famous being celebrated everywhere as a devotee Bhavat vipakshena simply going against you Vichitra Vaishasham inventing different kind of harassment Samprapitaha suffered Tvam you Paramaha the supreme shelter Sapetra by his own father My grandfather Prahlad Maharaj is famous being recognized by all your devotees although harassed in many ways by his father Hiranyakashipu still remained faithful taking shelter at your lotus feet. My grandfather, Prahlad Maharaj, is famous, being recognized by all your devotees, although harassed in many ways by his father Hiranyakashipu. He still remained faithful, taking shelter at your lotus feet.
Perfect by divine grace today, Siddhvedanta, from the pure path. The pure devotee like Radha Maharaja, although harassed circumstantially in many ways, never gives up shelter the Supreme Personality of Godhead. She takes shelter when he next. The pure devotee never complains. The pure devotee never complains. Clearly persuades, he did not divert his attention from the Lord, even to the smallest extent. Bali Maharaja, following in the footsteps of his grandfather, Prahlada Maharaj, remained fixed in his devotion to the Lord, despite the loss.
Same. थोड़ा आगे. चलो चलो. Continue, Prabhu. ओम ज्ञानतिमिरन्धस्य ज्ञानञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुर्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः. नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामिनिति नामिने. नमस्ते सारस्वते देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेषाय शून्यवादी पाश्चात्यदेशतारिणे. जयो श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभो नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासदि गौरभक्तवृंद. हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे. हमारा ये शेयर करो. स्क्रीन. ओके, श्लोक के बाद. नो प्रॉब्लम. वेट. Okay. उमज्ञानतिमिरन्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुर्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः. नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामिनिति नामिने. नमस्ते सारस्वते देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेषाय शून्यवादी पाशान्तदेशतारिणे. जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासदि गौर भक्तवृंद. हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम राम हरे. पितामह मे भवदीय सम्मतः प्रहराद आविष्कृत साधुवादः. Bhavad vipakshena vichitra vaishasham samprapitastam paramasa pitra. My grandfather Prahlad Maharaj is famous, being recognized by all your devotees. Although harassed in many ways by his father Hiranyakashipu, he still remained faithful, taking shelter at your lotus feet. So today's discussion is about Prahlad Maharaj. And what did Prahlad Maharaj do? Prahlad Maharaj was just chanting Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. He was thinking about all the time about Krishna or Narasimha. That's all. And what did Hiranyakashipu do? He stood like this, lifting on his toes. Unimaginable hard work. Very painful. And for a long time. And ants came and started eating his body. He did not move. His whole body was eaten up by the ants. Still, he did not give up his determination. And he was doing so much pain, so much hard work, so much difficulty to get some material boon. At the end, everything was smashed. Everything was taken away. And what did Prahlad Maharaj do? Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. And what is the result? He became so dear to Krishna. And his grandson, Bali Maharaj, is taking great pride. What a grandfather I had. My grandfather is worshipped even by Devatas. If ever they take an example of a devotee, they first remember Prahlad Maharaj. And Narasimhadeva told Prahlad Maharaj that 21 generation before you have delivered. So to become a devotee of the Lord is a great choice. And it's very easy. Just chant Hare Krishna, think about Krishna. But for material enjoyment, we do so much hard work. We take so much anxiety for material hard work. That is very unfortunate. So Prahlad Maharaj did not give up the lotus feet of Narasimhadeva. Even though his father said, if you continue chanting, I'll kill you. Not only he said he will kill you, actually tried to kill him in so many times. And finally, one day Narasimhadev came and killed his father. So this whole pastime Prahlad Maharaj is so sweet. So for today, I just taken 4 instructions of Prahlad Maharaj, which he gave to his father. Even though Prahlad Maharaj had more realizations than his father, he never lost his etiquettes. He was very cultured. Just like Bali Maharaj had more knowledge than Shukracharya. But he was always very polite to Shukracharya. So devotee is faultless. Sometimes it does happen. We know something which our elder may not know. But we maintain our culture. We do. So we got a very good example. from Prahlad Maharaj. Whenever he came to meet his father, he gave full obeisances. He gave him all respect due to a father. But he did not give up the spiritual knowledge. And with great mercy and affection, he tried to save even his father. Okay? So let us take 4 instructions which he gave to his father, and his father did not listen. Okay. This is the first time when Hiranyakashipu calls Prahlad when he's a 5-year-old boy. And he asked him, "My dear son, what is the best thing you've learned in your Gurukul?" Shanda and Amarka were training him. He wanted to know, what is the best thing you learned? So Prahlad Maharaj says, Tatasadu manye asuravarya dehinam sada samudvigna dhiyam asatgraha hitva tapatam griya andakupam vanam gato yadharimashayeta. Very beautiful line. What does it mean? It means this. Prahlad Maharaj said, Tatasadu manye asuravarya dehinam. He says, oh, best of the asuras. He doesn't say, my dear father. Oh, best of the asuras. But he's happy. Hiranyakashipu is very happy. Oh, best of the asuras. Sada samudvigna dhiyam asadgrahat. Everybody is in so much anxiety. Dhiyam asadgrahat. Why everybody is in anxiety? Because they have asadgrahat. They accepted a temporary place as their home. Griha means home. So everybody wants to make their home, which is temporary. Hitva tapatam griham andakupam. They have given a place of spiritual culture. And they have jumped into a blind well of suffering. Andakupa. Vanam gato. My dear father, in this situation it is best. Vanam gato. Go to Vana means Vrindavana. And Harimasheta. Take shelter of Hari. So his father was very happy. He was very happy. He was angry. Harimasheta. What is this Hari Asheta? Like Ravana, you tell Rama Asheta, he's not going to accept. So he was not happy, he was extremely angry. He had taken the child with so much love, but now he was very angry. So he told, but still, this time he did not take any action. He sent the child away. He told Shanda and Amarka, take care. Somebody looks to be spoiling his head. Just like most of the parents today. If the child is chanting Hare Krishna, they think he is wasting his time. They don't understand the value. They're mostly like Hiranyakashipu. Modern day education is also like Shanda and Amarka education. So next, what happens? Shanda and Amarka in the so-called Gurukul, they start scolding Prahlad Maharaj. And they teach so much nonsense. Prahlad Maharaj is not happy. What not? They are telling enemy, your Vishnu. Prahlad Prahlad Maharaj's heart is so great, he cannot think of an enemy. He has no enemy. He is the well-wisher of the whole world. Ajata Shatravaha Shantaha Sadhava Sadhu Bhushanam. He has all the qualities of a sadhu. Titikshava Karunikaha Suhrita Sarvabhutanam Ajata Shatravaha Shanta Sadhava Sadhu Bhushanam. Know the shloka? Ajata Shatra, he is no enemy. He's only thinking well. And they're telling enemy, enemy. He's not enemy. Why enemy? He's thinking, why enemy? So he's not happy. And then finally, anyway, they instruct him for a few months, say 6 months. They try to brainwash him. He's a small boy. And they bring him back to to Hiranyakashipu. We have brainwashed him fully. So again, Hiranyakashipu asks, okay, tell me, what did you learn in the Gurukul? He is expecting what the child will say, 5 plus 5 is 10, something like that he will tell. But Prahlad Maharaj is one of the greatest acharyas in the history. So he pays obeisances to his father, and with great love and affection for the father, again instructs his father. And what is the instruction? Shanavata Shavanam Kirtanam Vishnu Smaranam Pada Sevanam Archanam Vandanam Dasyam Sakyam Atma Nivedanam Itim Pumsar Pita Vishnu Bhaktis Che Navalakshana Kriyeta Bhagavati Adha Tanmanni Aditam Uttamam. So this is it. It says these 9 ways we can serve Vishnu. What are the 9 ways? Shravanam, we can always hear about. That's the easy thing. We do japa and we can hear about Krishna. Kirtana, after hearing, we can speak. Smarana, we can think about. Pada Sevanam, we can worship the lotus feet. Shravanam, Kirtanam, Vishnu, Smaranam, Pada Sevanam. Archanam, we can worship. Vandanam, we can offer prayers. Dasyam, we can become a servant. Sakyam, we can become friend. And Atmanivedana, we can totally surrender. The first 3 are Bhagavad Vidhi. Shravanam, Kirtanam, Smaranam. Bhagavad Vidhi. The next 4 are Pancharatrika Vidhi. Pada Sevanam, Archanam, Vandanam, Dasyam. And Sakyam and Atmanivedanam is Raganuga Bhakti. Okay. So there he's saying, my Lord, the 9 ways we can serve you. So Hiranyakashipu is very happy. He is, again, not only worship Vishnu, 9 ways we can worship Vishnu. Shavanam, Kirtanam, Smaranam, Padasana. And there are 9 people who are a perfection of that. Who is the perfection of Shavanam? You know, who is the perfection of Shavanam? Parikshit Maharaj. So, who is the perfection of Kirtanam? Huh? Shukdev Goswami. Okay. Who is the perfection of Smarana? Prahlad Maharaj. Who is the perfection of Pada Sevanam? Lakshmi. Who is the perfection of Archanam? क्या हाँ वो ब्राह्मण दीक्षा में था क्या पेपर में हाँ पृथु महाराज अर्चनम he worshipped the 4 Kumaras. Vandanam, who is the perfection of Vandanam? Huh? Akrura. Who is the perfection of Dasya? Yes, Hanuman. And perfection of Sakya? Ah, Arjun. Who is the perfection of Atma Nivedana? Bali Maharaj. Because the 9 people who are perfection of this each element. So Hiranyakashipu is, what is the nonsense? Just like for us, demon is a demon. For a demon, demigod is a demon. They don't like, what is this Vishnu nonsense? So he is very angry. Now he is very angry. And actually, this time, his throat, Prahlad Maharaj is sitting on his lap. And Hiranyakashipu embraced him. And tears come from the eye of Hiranyakashipu out of love. After that, he asked this question. And when Prahlad Maharaj gives his reply, 9 ways of bhakti, he takes Prahlad Maharaj and throws on the ground. You can see this. And he asked the teacher, Shanda and Amarka, you nonsense. He says, you nonsense, what are you teaching my son? Why are you teaching all these things to my son? Why are you spoiling the head of my son? So he asked Prahlad Maharaj, so they say, we are not teaching, we are not teaching. So he asked Shanda and Amarka, he asked Prahlad Maharaj, who taught you all this nonsense? And Prahlad Maharaj gives now 3 shlokas. Okay. Very, very important shlokas. Materina Krishne Parato Sato Bha Mito Apipadyete Grahavatana Adant Gobhi Vishutam Tamesham Puna Puna Charvita Charvanana. What is the meaning? It says, Materina Krishna. It says, you will never become Krishna conscious, my father. You are asking me. You are asking me who made me Krishna conscious. That is not important to answer you. But I tell you something, you will not become Krishna conscious. Materina Krishna. Materina Krishna Parato Satova. Even though other people try to make you Krishna conscious, Swata, you try to become Krishna conscious. Or combined effort to become Krishna conscious. 3 ways you can become. Suppose teaching. I can teach you. You can yourself try. And all of us together try. Parato, Sato, Mitho. 3 ways. He said, no way you will become Krishna conscious. Why? Adanta Govihi. Because you are not controlling your senses. Vishatam Tamishram. You are going into darkness of ignorance. And you are chewing what you have already chewed. So many times you have chewed sense gratification. It is frustrating. But you continue to do that. He has no anger for his father. He is instructing. He is an acharya with affection. My dear father, you will not become Krishna conscious unless you give up all these things. So then he continues. Nate vidu swartha gatim he Vishnu durashaya bahiyartamaninaha andayatande upaniyamana tepi shitantra murudamni baddha. He says, Nati vidu swartha gatim he Vishnu. Nati vidu. People do not know the real interest is to surrender to Vishnu. Durashayaye bahiyartamanina. So much value they are giving to sense gratification. Bahiyartamanina. So much value to sense gratification. Andhayatande. They are blind and they are running after other blind people. Andha yathande. Upaniyamana. The blind man is taking a blind man, so both will fall into a ditch. Tepi shitanta murudamni baddhaha. All of them are tightly bound by the laws of material nature. And then he says the final statement, a solution for the problem. He diagnosed the problem of his father, now he's telling a solution. Naisha matestava kramangrim sparshati anartopagamo yadartaha mahiyasam pada rajo abhishekam diskinchana navrinita yava. He says, my dear father, if you can take the dust of the lotus feet of a pure devotee and put on your whole body, do abhisheka of that, that's the only way you can come out of this problem. So we are also in a problem like Hiranyakashipu. We have started surrender, but we are not fully surrendered. We have just started surrender to Krishna. Surrender is a process. It is not 1 or 0. So we have just started surrender. So if what is blocking our complete surrender, we still have some Hiranyakashipu in our heart. So if we take shelter of a pure devotee, just like in ISKCON, Srila Prabhupada is our pure devotee. If we take a sincere shelter, shelter means to obey him and follow his instructions. Then we can be saved from the material existence. So what happens to Hiranyakashipu now? After hearing 4 shlokas, he is wild. He is extremely angry. So much so, he says, you are teaching me to control the senses? He's always drunk, but he cannot see that. That is his situation. He's always drunk, but he doesn't want to accept any instructions. But anyway, he becomes angry and tries to kill Prahlad Maharaj. Prahlad Maharaj doesn't take any offense any time. Just imagine, father is trying to kill the child and he is taking no offense. He is totally surrendered to Krishna. Okay? And rest everybody knows. So Prahlad Maharaj is a very great example. He continues to give wonderful instruction to his classmates after this. He makes all his classmates into wonderful devotees. And then finally, when his father brings a sword to kill him, Narasimhadeva saves. And then Prahlad Maharaj offers 2 chapters of wonderful prayers to Narasimhadeva. So we should take advantage of all these instructions and advance the spiritual life. Prahlad Maharaj is our guru. He is only a 5-year-old boy, but he is our guru. Okay? We should take advantage of his instructions and advance the spiritual life. So here Bali Maharaj is feeling very proud. What a great grandfather I have. So if you become a pure devotee, we actually bless everybody. Srila Prabhupada ki, Srimad Bhagavatam ki.